Okay, so I got myself a big bike. It's Suzuki GSX750F Katana, otherwise known from 1991. Right, so this bike hasn't been ridden for 3 years. So even if it looks good, the service was quite good. The brakes are seized. You can kind of feel it the way it touches up. Front one, I think is the same. So all we're gonna do is just gonna lift the bike up a bit. Yeah, front one is definitely seized. And let's refurbish. So that's gonna be my work with it. Alright, first things first. The guy did look after the bike for a bit. So I took out the battery, put it already in charge back in home. Now, drain the fuel. Let's have a look how much fuel do I have. Just pretty much reserve in there, that's good. This means there's neither too big of a canister there. There you go. There you go. Wow, that's the tight one. Alright, so I got myself a manual. Looking at that manual, straight to fuel. 125, filter cleaning system check. Let's go to 125. What we got here? Let's go for it. Start, open up the fairing. Try to get the DAC cap right here. Let's see, maybe I could do something about it there.